Assalamualaikum. This is International Islamic University Islamabad School, Sahiwal Campus online lectures. This lecture is for grade 3 for the subject of English, unit number 6, realistic story cleanup day, and the lecture number is 7. Today's lecture tasks are language part, sequencing, conjunctions, making notes, word study, prefixes, and writing portion. In this lecture, we will cover the 5 main points of our unit number 6, which is language. In language, we will do sequencing, we will write the paragraph in correct order, sequence wise, conjunctions. I will tell you about conjunctions, making notes, and word study, prefixes, and also included the writing portion, which is about making notes. Open your English classwork notebook, prepare the index page, write down serial number, date, topics, sequencing, conjunction, making notes, and prefixes. Before we begin, students, ensure that you have your English student book, notebook, and your complete stationery with you, because you have to write down the correct sequence of sentences, conjunctions, paragraph, and prefixes on your English notebook. Listen to the teacher attentively, note down the points you don't understand, and contact us on WhatsApp through voice note for any query. Students, you have to draw margin line, write date and day properly, write down the topic, and also underline the topic. Now, let's start. Open your English students book, page number 33. The part of our lesson is language, which is sequencing. लैंग्वेज इस पार्ट में, इस पोर्शन में आपने सीक्वेंसिंग के बारे में सीखना है कि सीक्वेंस अरेंजमेंट प्रॉपरली वन बाय वन अरेंज आपने सेंटेंसेस को करना है. रीड विद मी, राइट द पैराग्राफ इन द करेक्ट ऑर्डर. हियर अ पैराग्राफ इज गिवन which has random sentences. You have to arrange these sentences according to their correct sequence. Now let's start. Next, she looked under the tables. Then she told Mr. Sami the classroom was tidy. Yesterday, Sabah checked the classroom. She asked some other pupils to put it in the bin. First, she cleaned the blackboard. She found some rubbish on the floor. ये पैराग्राफ रैंडमली सेंटेंसेस राइट डाउन हुए हैं. आपने इनको प्रॉपरली राइट करना है अपनी इंग्लिश क्लास वर्क नोटबुक्स पे. नाउ ओपन योर इंग्लिश क्लास वर्क नोटबुक्स एंड राइट द पैराग्राफ इन करेक्ट ऑर्डर. Let's start. Yesterday, Sabah checked the classroom. First, she cleaned the blackboard. Next, she looked under the tables. She found some rubbish on the floor. She asked some other pupils to put it in the bin. Then she told Mr. Sami the classroom was tidy. Students, you have to write this correct order, correct paragraph in your English classwork notebook very neatly and carefully. कि कल सबा ने क्लासरूम को चेक किया. सबसे पहले उसने ब्लैक बोर्ड क्लीन किया. उसके बाद उसने टेबल्स के नीचे देखा कि कोई कचरा वगैरह तो नहीं है. फिर उसे कुछ कचरा मिला, कुछ रबिश मिला फ्लोर पे. उसने कुछ अपनी क्लास के स्टूडेंट्स को बोला कि वो इसको रबिश को उठा के डस्टबिन में डाल दें. फिर उसने मिस्टर समी को बताया कि क्लासरूम जो थी वो टाइडी थी, मीन्स क्लीन थी. नाउ comes to the second part, which is conjunctions. What is conjunctions? Conjunctions are words used to connect words, phrases और classes. Conjunction वो words होते हैं जो words को, phrases को और classes को join करने में, उनको मिलाने में, उनको connect करने में use होते हैं. Joining sentences और conjunction में sentence किससे join होते हैं? Joining sentences with and, but और because किससे join होते हैं, connect होते हैं? and, but और because. Repeat it with me. Joining sentences with and, but और because. एग्जाम्पल है इसकी and सेंटेंस की. I have 2 goldfish and a cat. अब देखिए कैट और गोल्ड फिश 2 वर्ड्स हैं. इन दोनों को कौन कनेक्ट कर रहा है? and what is and is conjunction. अगर ये इस तरह होता सेंटेंस I have 2 goldfish a cat, कोई सेंस बन रही है सेंटेंस की? नो. तो जो कंजक्शन है ये सेंटेंस को कनेक्ट करती है और उसकी एक प्रॉपर सेंस बनाती है. I have 2 goldfish and a cat. The second example is I like banana but I love mango. कि मुझे बनाना अच्छा लगता है but I love mango. इसमें I love mango और I like banana इन दो को कौन कनेक्ट कर रहा है? but. and what is but? But is conjunction. The third example is about because. He did not study well because he was busy. कि वो अच्छे से स्टडी नहीं कर सका क्योंकि वो बिजी था. अब he was busy और he did not study well, इन दो को कौन कनेक्ट कर रहा है? Because. And but and because are conjunctions. And what does conjunctions do? Conjunctions connect words, sentences or clauses. Now look at your students book page number 33. Here the first question about conjunction is given. Join the sentences with and, but और because. यहाँ पे 5-6 sentences आपकी बुक पे दिए गए हैं. आपने सब sentences को proper conjunction लगा के connect करना and, but और because. You have to do this on your English classwork notebook. The first sentence is Ahmed finished his work. He did not put his books away. अब इसमें conjunction लगाते हैं. Ahmed finished his work, but he didn't put his books away. You have to write the correct sentence on your English classwork notebook. The second sentence is we picked up the litter. Full stop. We put it in the bin. Now it's time to put it conjunction. And what conjunction is used here? And. Now complete the sentence. We picked up the litter and we put it in the bin. The third sentence is Javed and Samad watched us. They didn't help. Which conjunction is used here? And. Javed and Samad watched us and they didn't help us. The fourth one is Saba was pleased. The pupils chose her to be a monitor. Which conjunction is used here? Because. Saba was pleased because the pupil chose her to be a monitor. The fifth one is the boys swept the classroom. They cleaned up the yard. The correct sentence is the boys swept the classroom and they cleaned up the yard. The sixth one and the last one is Mr. Sami was disappointed. The classroom was untidy. The correct sentence of this is Mr. Sami was disappointed because the classroom was untidy. Students, you have to write all these correct sentences with correct conjunction on your classwork notebooks. Now, look at the bottom of the page number 33. Here, a red box is given which is about joining sentences with but or so. You have to join words by using but or so. There was litter in the yard but nobody picked it up. कि yard में litter था मगर किसी ने भी उसे नहीं उठाया. Which words connect है? But एड समथिंग सरप्राइजिंग और डिसअपॉइंटिंग. बट हम उन वर्ड्स पे उन चीज़ों पे ऐड करते हैं जो सरप्राइजिंग हो या फिर डिसअपॉइंटिंग हो. द सेकेंड इज अबाउट सो. देयर वाज लिटर इन द यार्ड सो सबा टोल्ड मिस्टर समी अबाउट इट. कि यार्ड में लिटर था तो मिस सबा ने मिस्टर समी को उसके बारे में बताया. हेयर विच वर्ड कनेक्ट्स दिस सेंटेंसेस? सो. वेयर वर यू सो? सो गिव्स अ रीजन और इंट्रोड्यूसेस एन अदर एक्शन. सो हमें किसी भी बात की किसी भी ओपिनियन की वजह बताते हैं और किसी एक्शन को इंट्रोड्यूस करवाते हैं. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द एक्सरसाइज विच इज़ अबाउट बट और सो. टर्न द पेज एंड कम्स टू द पेज नंबर 32. लुक एट द टॉप ऑफ द पेज. Here question is given. Join the sentences. You have to given 2 columns. You have to join the correct column with the correct sentence. Let's start. You can do it on your English students book. The first sentence is my bedroom was untidy so I tidied it up. Match it with C. The floor was dirty so I swept it. Match this sentence with A. My brother's room was untidy but he did not clear it up. Match this with F. He looked for his books but he could not find them. Match this sentence with he could not find them. My mother was vexed with him so he cleaned it up. The sixth one is his room is tidy now but soon it will be untidy. Match the correct column, correct sentence with the other correct sentence. You can do this part of conjunctions on your students book. Now comes to the next part, which is making notes. Why we make notes? We make notes when we want to write important detail quickly about. हम notes तब बनाते हैं जब हमने कोई भी important बात जल्दी से बतानी हो, कि ज़्यादा लंबे पैराग्राफ्स नहीं लिखने हो, बल्कि उसके मेन पॉइंट्स, मेन हेडिंग्स राइट डाउन करनी हो. समथिंग वी हियर और रीड, कुछ बात, कोई चीज़ हमने सुनी हो या लिखी हो. समथिंग वी आर गोइंग टू से और राइट और डू, या फिर कोई चीज़ हम जो कहने जा रहे हो या लिखने जा रहे हो या करने जा रहे हो. देन वी यूज to make notes. Notes are not complete sentences. We can leave out words like the, a, and, is, was. जो notes होते हैं ये complete sentences नहीं होते, इसमें से कुछ words हैं उनको drop कर दिया जाता है, like the, a, and, is, was. Now comes to the exercise. Read these notes about the story. Write them as full sentences. यहाँ पे थोड़े से आपको नोट्स दिए गए हैं, आपने इन नोट्स को स्टडी करना है, नोट्स को रीड करना है और फिर फुल सेंटेंसेस लिखने हैं. राइट द फुल सेंटेंसेस ऑन योर इंग्लिश क्लास वर्क नोटबुक. लेट्स स्टार्ट. द फर्स्ट नोट इज क्लासरूम अनटाइडी. इट्स सेंटेंस इज द क्लासरूम वाज अनटाइडी. The second note is Mr. Sami crossed. The sentence of this note is Mr. Sami crossed the class. The third one is monitors elected. The sentence of this note is the next day pupils elected tidiness monitors. The fourth one is chose Sabah and Rashid. They choose Sabah and Rashid as a monitor. Litter in the schoolyard. Sabah and Rashid discovered a lot of litter in the schoolyard. Planned cleanup day. Then Mr. Sami planned a cleanup day in the school. Now comes to the second part of making notes. Write these sentences as notes. Here some sentences are given on your book. You have to write some notes on your English classwork notebook. It's not need to write down all the long sentences. You have to only write some important points from these sentences, like there was a lot of paper on the floor in our classroom. You can write here only a lot of paper. In the second sentence, we had to pick up all the papers. You can write it as pick up all paper. The third one is then we picked up the books and put them on the shelf. Put up books and put on shelf. The fourth one is after that our teacher was pleased with us. The fourth one is this. Then we swept the floor with a broom. Swept floor with broom. The fifth one, the last one is after that our teacher was very pleased with us. Teacher pleased. Write these notes on your classwork notebook. Now comes to the page number 35. Here is word study, which is prefixes. What is prefixes? A word, letter or number placed before stem of word. ये कोई word, letter या number होता है जो किसी भी word से पहले लिखा जाता है. Find words with the prefixes dis in the reading passage. आपने अपने चैप्टर से, यूनिट से, रीडिंग पैसेज से वो वर्ड्स फाइंड आउट करने हैं जो डिस से स्टार्ट होंगे, जिनके प्रीफिक्स डिस होगी. एंड राइट दोज वर्ड्स ऑन योर क्लास वर्क नोटबुक. एंड दोज वर्ड्स आर disappointed, disagree, discovered. Okay. Now comes to the second part. Add the prefixes dis to the following words. Check what the words mean in your dictionary. Here some words are given on your book. You have to put prefixes in front of them, like in fact, approve, appear, satisfied, advantage. You have to add prefix bis in front of these words, like dislike, disinfect, disapprove, disappear, dissatisfied, disadvantage. You have to also write down this on your classwork notebook. The third question is choose 3 words with the prefixes this, write them in a sentence. अब आपने जो prefixes ऊपर आपने बनाई हैं उनमें से आपने कोई भी 3 words चूज़ कर लेने हैं और उनके sentences बनाने हैं. I chose dissatisfied. I am dissatisfied with his work. The second word is dislike. She disliked cakes. The third word is disapprove, and the sentence of this word is she disapproved my application. Now the word study part is also completed. Now comes to the last part of this unit, writing, which is about making notes. Students, look at your book, page number 35. Here, a structure is given which is about school cleanup day. You have to complete this structure, complete this brainstorm words with your ideas. Write notes about your school cleanup day. Use these headings to help you. आपने स्कूल क्लीनअप डे के बारे में नोट्स बनाने हैं और इन हेडिंग्स के अकॉर्डिंग आपने सेंटेंसेस राइट करनी है. लाइक व्हेन स्कूल क्लीनअप डे, व्हेन school cleanup day will be on Monday. Who will be responsible? Class teacher will be responsible. What will we do to guide pupils about cleanliness? Who will help? Pupils will help. Students, you can do this on your book. Okay. Now comes to the second part of writing portion. Write 5 or more sentences about your plans for the school cleanup day. आपने 5 या 5 से ज़्यादा sentences बनाने हैं स्कूल क्लीनअप डे को जो आपने प्लान की है उसके बारे में. लेट्स स्टार्ट एंड राइट दिस 5 sentences on your classwork notebook. Students will participate in groups in school's cleanup day. We shall choose a site within school and make necessary arrangements for the cleanup. Pupils will collect data and what they find during cleanup. Then they will determine some possible solutions to their rubbish problem. We shall paste the posters of importance of cleanliness on school's main wall. These are 5 sentences about your plan for school cleanup day. You have to write down these sentences very neatly, carefully on your English classwork notebook. Now it's time to write down your diary. Open diary, write date, subject, and today's diary is do workbook page number 23, 24 and 25 as your homework. Page number 23. Match the word with prefixes this to their definitions. आपने कॉलम्स मैच करने हैं प्रीफिक्सेस दिस को यूज़ करके उसकी डेफिनेशन के अकॉर्डिंग. ओके, लाइक डिस्कवर का डेफिनेशन यहाँ पे फाइंड करनी है आपने. द डेफिनेशन ऑफ डिस्कवर इज टू फाइंड आउट समथिंग यू डिडंट नो बिफोर. The second part of this page is the prefixes il or ir mean not. Pick the correct definition of the underlined word. जो prefixes हैं ir and il इसका मतलब होता है नहीं, not. आपने इसके according MCQs जो multiple type questions हैं उन पे correct answer mention करने. Turn your page and comes to the page number 24. Here a picture is given. You have to sequence this picture like you have do the sequencing part on students book page number 33. It is just like that. You have to sequence this picture according to the correct arrangement. Write a sentences about the each picture. फिर आपने 6th वाले पार्ट में आपने उन sentences को अरेंज करके लिखने. Like I collected the plates, I opened the tap, I put shampoo in water, like this. Okay. Now comes to the page number 25 which is about notes out as full sentences. जैसे आपने sentences के notes बनाए हैं स्टूडेंट्स बुक पेज नंबर 33 पे 34 पे, इसी तरह आपने वर्क बुक पे भी sentences आपको notes दिए गए हैं. बैड डे yesterday आपने इनके full sentence राइट करनी है. Got home late, I got home late. इस तरह आपने sentences complete करके लिखनी है. And the part 8 is as rewrite the paragraph as notes. अब आपको पैराग्राफ दिया गया है, आपने इस पैराग्राफ को रीराइट करना है as a notes. Okay, like I felt after school yesterday. You have to write it. Felt ill after school yesterday and I was not able to finish my work, not able to finish homework. Okay, you have to do this work on your English workbook. Now our agenda is finalized. It's time now. Our agenda of English is finalized and we will start test soon. This is end of our lesson. Allah Hafiz.